Hey lovelies, so I thought we could try this on. I don't normally do kind of a testing each lip product, but I thought I'd test this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stax because I've never had one like this before. I do have a few Fenty Beauty lip products now. So what does this say here? Irresistible Shine, Nourishing Wear, Universal Finishing Touch. So this one is in the shade Unicorn Blizzard. I know they brought out different ones. They brought more of a brown one out, didn't they? And I don't know what that shade was, but I only saw this one in Boots. When I bought it, I'm like, oh, really? You know, I shouldn't have bought it. I'm going to take it back. And my mum said, no, you're not taking it back. She said, you really wanted it for a long time. Just keep hold of it. What's the price? I think this £23. And I'm not used to spending £23 on a lip product. So that's what it comes like. Sorry about it being reflective here. That's what it comes like. And how much product do you get in these things? 9ml, so you get quite a lot. To go and find a mirror. So another reason I didn't know if I wanted this is because I've got a Kiko lip product that looks very, very similar, especially to this white here, and I'm sure it's got like a purple reflect as well, which I'll show you in a later day. I might even do, even though I've had it a while, I might even do a video on all my Kiko lip products. So let's just mix it around a bit. Like, even though it's more white, you can see what's on the wand is purple. I guess that's why it's called Unicorn Blizzard, right? It's nice. I mean, I've got a couple of these Fenty lip products now. So I've got that one. I got the shade Hologram that came out a couple of years ago for Christmas. I got that. I don't really like Hologram that much, but I'm using it up. I wouldn't repurchase it. The jury's out on this one. It's very, very pretty. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on and tell you what I thought of it. That will go in with my lip glosses. It'll be interesting what's going to happen once I've used this bit up when I get down here. So will it look more blue at some point? If you have this, let me know what your thoughts are on it. Just leave me a comment down below. I'd really much appreciate it. And I would love it, guys, if you would hype the video. It would mean a lot to me. It's completely free to do so. If you're not subscribed already and like beauty content, please do so. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.